Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So I am going to make this cute birthday card with you today, and Happy New Year. We're starting off a new year, and so I thought I would do a winter birthday card, and these Yetis are just too cute, and it's called Don't Peek Yeti. And I have the outline dies, and then I use some sprinkles rectangle dies and birthday wishes die set. And I'm just going to put a few of the images onto my hammer mill cardstock, and this is 100 pound, and then I'm going to be using some Copic markers. I am stamping and heat embossing today, and I wasn't really sure. As I say all the time, I don't really have a plan in mind. I just start going. So I wasn't sure, and I did put a few of these images on here, even though I'm only going to be using one of the cute ones today. And my ink is a little bit dry, and I should use my re-inker, but I always forget, as well as my powder. I forget to do that. Hopefully that is something I can do at the beginning of the year. And so I am just making sure all my images are embossed, and I did have that problem not too long ago where I thought they were all embossed, and then I messed up one of my images, just like swiping my hand over one. So I have to be more careful now. And that is my word for the year, more. So, and now I am Copic coloring just some simple colors, and I will have them in the details as well in case you're interested. And these cute Yetis, they don't really need to be colored much. I just gave a little bit of interest with some flicks on the beard there, and some shadows, and then the toes and present, and then I do add some cheeks, well, the R01 for the cheeks, nose, and ears. And I thought it was fun to use my warm gray markers because I usually use my cool gray markers, so it was a little bit of a change for me, but I had fun using them, and it's always good to switch up your markers too. So hopefully I will get used to using the Olo markers. I just received those for Christmas, so I'm excited to get to learn how to use those. But my Copics will always be my favorite. And I thought he would look cute with the blue face. I love the Yetis with blue faces, and so that was fun. And next I will color the present. And I liked this red combo. I usually don't use these reds together much, but I like it, and I think it would be pretty on a floral image as well. And I thought blue and red would be fun for this present. And I think this card can be used for any age or any gender. And after the present, I will color his toes. I do use another warm gray marker, but with the 3 to make it a little bit darker on his toes. And I was just saying that I would have liked to color the other images because they're so cute, and you can use these images all year round, which is perfect. I seen a Valentine card, and of course Christmas, and then I'm doing a birthday card, so you can use them all year round. And next I'm using the Swirls stencil, one of my favorite stencils from Whimsy Stamps, and I'm using some Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide ink with my small blending brush from Whimsy Stamps. And I don't know if you've tried Whimsy Stamps brushes, but they're really soft, and I have a few of them, but I would like to add more to my collection. And here is what it looks like, and that was just regular white cardstock, and 110 pound, I believe. And here's the birthday wishes die set. I'm going to be using all those pieces, and I decided to ink blend to match, so I will be using some peacock feathers, and then I'm using blue Copic markers that I used for my Yeti's present. And then I use yellow markers, and I will write that down for you. So I liked how easy that was. You can use cardstock, colored cardstock, but I like to match really well, so that's why I will just use the inks that I used and markers. I think that is always fun, and it's on my desk already, so really easy and simple. And then I fussy cut some hills. You can use some dies for that, but I don't have any dies yet, so I just chose to do that. And I did 2 hills, really simple, with scrap paper, and I was probably going to throw that paper out anyways, so yay, I recycled, kind of. So, and just gluing everything with a liquid glue. And the shadow, I used foam, so that is my dimension for the card, which I love. I didn't use any foam tape, so again, really simple. And simple too, because I only used 1 image. And I'm just going to put everything together. I believe I put my words together with the candles for the eye. And I love all the colors here. I think it looks bright. And then I used the Sprinkles Scallop Rectangle die set. That is new to me. I just recently got it, and I love rectangle dies, and I always like different kinds of rectangle dies. So I believe Wendy uses these, and so I had to try them, and I do love them because you get the regular rectangle dies, and then you get scallop with sprinkles on them. So it's great for this birthday card. And just gluing my words down, and then I think I will glue my Yeti down. And so again, I love how that looks. I tend to put my images to the left, so this is different for me having him on the right. And so I like trying new things. And so I will glue that to an A2 card base. And I like the layers. You can use more rectangle dies too to add more layers, or you could use pattern paper with the stencil. And I was so happy that I got to use the stencil for this card. So, and next I will add some white gel accents with my Jelly Roll pen. And I do use a gray marker to add some lines to my mountains or snowdrifts, whatever you want to call them, for some interest. And then I will share a close-up. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.